In this episode of the Bangin Gears Garage, we announce all the winners from my giveaway videos I filmed when I was at Cruisinoceancity 2024. So stick around. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears Garage on YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And like the intro said, we're going to announce all the winners from all 4 videos in this one video. Now, if you did not win, I am sorry. But if you'd like to get your own Bangin Gears swag and help support the channel, I'll put the link at the bottom for my Teespring account, where we have shirts and tank tops and sweatshirts and hoodies and all sorts of good things like that, if you're interested in purchasing your own Bangin Gears Garage swag. If you went to the show, you should have got a postcard in your goodie bag with all the QR codes for all my social media accounts. And you can scan your Facebook and join the Facebook. If you were down there and you made your own videos or you took your own pictures, share them on our group. It's open to everybody as long as it's automotive related. If you didn't get a goodie bag with the QR code, I'll put the link at the bottom of the screen. You can go that way as well. But let's just dive right into it. Video number 1 was for a Bangin Gears hat, just like the one I'm wearing, but not this one. This one is mine. And we're going to spin the wheel. All the names are in there. We had 23 entries. And let's click it. Round and round she goes. And the winner is Cruisin.66. Congratulations, Cruisin.66. You have won the Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I am wearing. For all the winners, I'll put my email address at the bottom of the page. Shoot me an email. We'll confirm that it's you, and we'll get you this stuff out right away. Remember one thing. If you do win a fleece, the fleeces are made to order. The hats, I have a couple of them in stock. We can get those out right away. But the fleeces are made to order. So it's going to take a couple of weeks just to let you know, but I get them to you. I haven't missed one yet. Okay? So let's go right into video number 2, which was for the Bangin Gears fleece. Video number 2 was for a Bangin Gears fleece. Remember, these are made to order. Now, you're going to have 2 choices on fleeces. You're going to have the original fleece, which is a 3/4 zip with the Bangin Gears logo on the front, and it's going to say Bangin Gears Garage in the back. Okay? It comes in a male or female, and just let me know what sex you want and what size you want. If you go above, I believe it's 2X and above, the fleece may become in a darker color and the logos will be reversed, just so you don't get that shock if you need a 2X or a 3X. Also, you have a choice of this type of fleece, which is a full zip up. Okay? This one's got actual pockets, if I can find them. This one's got pockets. The other 3/4 does not. This will also have the Bangin Gears logo there, and it will say Bangin Gears Garage just like that on the back. So again, you have a choice: 3/4 zip or full zip, male or female, and size. Made to order, take a few weeks. I'll get them to you, I promise. So let's spin the wheel on video number 2. This one had 27 entries. And the winner is, of the fleece, Paula David Gordon. Congratulations, Paula David Gordon. You win the fleece. Again, let me know which one you want. 3/4 zip or full zip with the pockets, male or female, and what size you need. And we'll get that out to you as soon as I get them made. Okay, right on to video number 3. Video number 3 was for a Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing. Let's spin that wheel. This one had 17 entries. Around she goes, and really? Paula David Gordon wins again. Okay, now I said this in one of the videos as well. There's 4 videos. Once you're subscribed, like and comment on all 4 videos, and it puts you in the running to win all 4 things. You can win 2, you can win 3, you can win 1, you can win all 4. Paula David Gordon, you just won 2 things. You won the fleece and the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Okay? So when you contact me, let me know if you want the hat first. I'm happy to mail that out to you first, or I can wait till I get the fleece in, which you won in video number 2, and I'll send you both at the same time. But congratulations, Paula David Gordon. I don't think that's ever happened yet in the history of what we've been doing here. So congratulations to you. Video number 4 was for another Bangin Gears fleece. That one had 18 entries. Remember, 2 types of fleeces. There's the 3/4 fleece, like this one, with the Bangin Gears logo in the front, and yours will say Bangin Gears Garage in the back, or the full zip-up fleece, which actually has pockets on it, which I kind of like it better. Also has the Bangin Gears logo on it here, and yours will say Bangin Gears Garage in the back as well. Any size you want, male or female, just let me know in the email link below. And let's see who wins this fleece. And the winner of video number 4 and the Bangin Gears fleece is going to be Tim Gartrell 1502. Congratulations, Tim Gartrell 1502. You are the winner of the Bangin Gears fleece. So congratulations to all our Bangin Gears giveaway winners. I appreciate you participating. Hopefully you stick around to the channel. We got some great things coming up. It's summertime, so there's videos galore, okay? So stick around, and we'll catch you next time right here on the Bangin Gears Garage.